Hi guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make our Kandinskyhearts project. So if you watched the last video, I showed you how to set up your paper. So we started by putting our name on the back and then folding it to create our 6 sections. So now we're ready to get started with the actual art making. So the supplies that we're going to be using for this project are our neon oil pastels. If you're doing this project at home, you can use anything that you have. Even just a pencil is fine. If you want to add some color, that's really where this project is going to shine. But I understand if you don't have any colors or markers or oil pastels at home, that's totally okay. But we're going to go ahead and get started. So first you're going to pick which section you want to start with. I'm going to go ahead and start in the middle, and I'm going to choose a neon or fluorescent color to begin with. I think I'll go with this pink color. What you're going to do is you are going to draw a small heart inside the section of your choosing. Doesn't need to be too big because you are going to outline it using different colors. So just go ahead and kind of freehand a heart and then you can color it in. When you're using the oil pastels, these ones especially are very, very smooth and they kind of just glide onto the paper. But you want to cover all of the white. So you can definitely tell the difference in the parts where I'm paying a little bit closer attention. You can see the paper is not really showing through. You don't get that like odd texture that's happening over here. But there we go. I've got my heart. You will notice with oil pastels that you get a little bit of flaking, and that's okay. I never wipe my paper if I'm using any sort of pastel because any movement here is going to smear that all over my paper, and that's not something I want to do. So I'm done with this color. I'm going to put it back and choose another color. I think I'll go with something in the green family since red and green are complementary, and pink and neon green are just kind of different tones of that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my next color and I'm going to trace around my first heart. So essentially I'm just drawing another heart around that, and I can leave it like that if I want to, or I can make it thicker. I think I'm going to make it a little bit thicker because I really like this color combination. So I'm just adding a little bit of thickness. Looks great. Oh, a way that you can get those little crumbs off is to kind of lift your paper and give a little tap. That will work sometimes. Apparently it's not working very well here, but that's okay. Later, if I want, I can use a tissue or a Q-tip to kind of wipe that away. So I'm just going to continue to do the same process. So picking another color and then outlining my heart until I am finished. I'm going to do a time lapse here, so I will see you in a little bit.